But I go transfer.
Go transfer.
Yeah.
No, it's all.
See, but I go transfer. Finish you.
Days, 561 good. Send you to Manga.
One year can I look for
I can hear you go one more now. When I'm doing that, I do it. I'm a little less. I'm going to do the sugar.
How you
be?
I know, man.
Shame all one, man. I transfer one. Quick, you like it one. Madam, no cash, I'm no cash.
What's the APS? Okay.
One customer on the
700. It's 25 people. Good morning, welcome guys. You know, say Kano Bashan.
2070. 43.
20 what?
2070.
2070.
43.
43.
65.
65.
89.
89. Babega. Mana it is ga. Go on there. Good morning guys, how are you? Can you go back in your cage? What cage are you talking about? Welcome guys. Yeah? How on there?
2070. 43. 65. 89.
You be able to go to go. Okay, so I'm not today 17.
Wow.
18, Abby?
18.
Alright. Thank you for joining guys. Good morning. Whether I speak Spanish, speak English. Español. Morning guys, how you doing, man? You're welcome to my live, and if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share this video. Please. What are you talking about? Slave? I'm not a slave, bro. Don't know. See it. Yeah, I'm from Nigeria.
Yeah, hello. Nah.
What about you? You're all welcome, guys. Good morning. I just came out here to eat. Life is good. I just came out here to eat my street food, and I'm on the streets eating street food.
I'm not hearing no.
Okay, that's good. Okay, madam, who you are? No, I'm good. My towel is here. So I just came to eat some street food, but I'm going back to my hotel. Let me just show you guys around, man. Welcome, bro. I'm not gay. Record, I'm not gay. So if you are looking for gay, I'm not gay. If you are looking for gay, I'm
Hello?
not gay. All right?
What's happening?
You can go and then look for your gay. For me, I'm not.
I do around now. I do around.
Stefano.
I do close to your shop.
Stefano, how are you? Good morning. Thank you for joining.
Okay.
Naomi from Canada.
What's it? Can't take my make or carry me now.
Okay, so right now I'm in Benue State. I based in Lagos, but right now I'm in Benue State.
My carry bike.
Benue is my state.
My carry bike.
So, but right now I'm in Benue, but based in
Oh, that
Lagos.
one,
I'll be going to Lagos next
So
week.
I will carry make or carry me. Abba.
Oh, you're no, I did not say Benin. I say Benue State. Benue State. Benue State. Benue State. Benue. Benue. Benue, not Benin. Please, if you are new on if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, share your comments, also watch some of my videos. I'm still working on more videos to bring to you. Don't mind my daughter. She was tapping rubbish. Or your daughter was tapping rubbish, okay? Yeah, I'm sorry about that. And I'm sorry about that. I'm on the street, but I'm going back to my hotel room where I lodge. So I'm sorry about the noise. I'm so sorry about that. Like I said before, I'm on the streets. All right. Yeah. So Naomi, how you doing? Are you from Nigeria too? Are you a Nigerian? Are you a Nigerian? Like me? Like us? No, I'm not Yoruba. I'm not Yoruba. I'm from the northern side of Nigeria. Like I'm from the middle belt. That is Benue State. So, middle belt consists of Abuja, Nasarawa, Benue State. And I think Kogi is one of them. The middle belt. So, Niger. Yeah. So that's that. If you are here, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you You can still watch some of my videos. And then, no, I'm not Hausa. I'm from the Tiv tribe. I'm from the Tiv tribe. TIV. That's Tiv. Yeah, nah. Who, who, yeah, okay. I'm from the Tiv tribe. Well, oh, French too. Okay, and recorder. I'm not gonna talk something bad. You can say whatever you want to say. It's your opinion, and I know when you say something bad, YouTube will hide it from from the viewers to see. So if you like, say whatever you want to say. That's not my business. Eh? I'm here to connect with my YouTube fans, YouTube family, and I'm not here to make any trouble. I'm not here to fight anybody. I'm here to just connect to my people. So whatever you say, no offense, no fights, no nothing. I'm here for peace. Because any comments you make, YouTube will not show it to the viewers, but me, I can see it. So, Naomi, let's talk, Jerry. Forget this person. Naomi, are you a YouTuber? I'm not being bad. No, I'm not talking. I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about recorder. Recorder is it's not you that I'm talking about. I'm talking about recorder. There's somebody who is watching me here. The name is recorder. So no, Naomi, it's not you. I'm talking about another person. His name is recorder. I don't know whether it's a she or it's a he. His name is recorder. Terry Elian, welcome. He sent me a message and he said, no, if you can hear me, Naomi, you're not the one that I'm talking about. There's someone else who is chatting me here. He said, I am leaving you Africans are too noisy. So it's not you. Naomi, you just want to find out about Nigeria and more about Nigeria. So there's no problem with that. You're welcome. Good to be here. Yeah, Terry, welcome. So Naomi, I was asking, are you a YouTuber or you just watch videos? Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. How are things in France? I'm not in France, man. I'm not in France. I'm in Nigeria. Not in France, okay? Okay, you okay. Yeah, you are from France, okay. How are you? I hope you're good. Okay. You know, it's funny at times when you come to stream live and a lot of people come and say so many things. So that's that. So you know, I travel to make YouTube videos. I'm in a town called Boko. This is Boko town, and let me show you around. The town is quite big. Yeah, it's quite big, and anytime I come around, I try to look for a cheap hotel where I can stay, at least to maximize my is it expenditure or my spending. You know, what you're looking at here This is a. Oh, thank you, thank you. You just come across my life. Please subscribe, okay? Hi is Canada. So I'm going to show you guys around. Can you see that's maize over there? What you see there is maize. This is potato. Yeah, this is potato. What you are seeing here is potato. Yeah, this is potato, and I'm going to take you to the yam farm because where I lodge, this part of it that they have a yam farm. So some of you have been eating yam and you don't know how yam grows. You don't know how yam has come to be, and you have to learn or to see. I know that okay, this is yam. We can call it yam plant. Plant, Abi? Yes, yam plant. Yam is a plant now. Yes. So now, what do you do for a living? We can call it yam plant. Thank you for subscribing. Yeah. So look, you can see here is yam plus cassava. Yam plus cassava joined together. We have water yam, we have cassava, and what do you have here? Yam, cassava, water yam. And when I go inside, I will show you the difference because there is a lot of noise here, so you guys cannot hear me the way you should. So, but when I go inside, I will tell you. This is a hotel. The room here is about $5, yeah, per night. And if you look at my room is very nice. Although there's no AC, but we have there's a fan. So I will show you the yam fan. I will show you my room and then where I'm staying. So you can see how cheap it is. That's the name of the hotel. Summer Suite, lodging and accommodation, wine bar. You're all welcome to my hotel. So this is another wing, and that's another wing. So right now I'm taking you to my hotel room. It's kind of scattered though. This is it. The fan is there. That's where the fan is. So is it Gary from cassava? Yeah. Gary is made from cassava. It's made from cassava. I have a video on my channel here that where they were producing Gary. Yeah, I think I have a video like that on this channel. So I'm trying to get my key. Say guys, in case you're watching, if you want to send super chat. Oh, my room is kind of can I say clean? I just woke up, so I will not fix the bed. So welcome to my $5 room. All right. So this is the room. Here we are. You can see that's a toilet. This is a bed. The bed is very big. I just woke up, so I went out to eat. The bed is very big. I look at the window, and they have this mirror here. Beautiful mirror. And look at the TV. The TV was here. This is where they plugged the TV, but I don't know what happened. This thing was not strong enough, so I have to carry the TV and put it there. And you see, that's another charging point. There are two down there. Anytime I'm in a hotel, if I'm sleeping, I try to secure my cameras here. That's why I put my camera under the table. I don't know, but it's for security reasons. So that's what I do. I may be wrong, I may be right, but I'm just protecting my equipment because if anything happens to my camera, I have to go buy a new one. And this camera you see is about $5,000, so I don't joke with it. So this is it, and the wardrobe is very small because my bag could not enter inside, so I left it there. Now I'll not show you the toilet because some of you don't want to see the toilet. So this is it. You see, socket. You see, slim fan, and it's good for that amount. I think the room is cheap. What do you think? Yeah, it is. It is. For that amount, it's cheap. This is my roll-on, my Vaseline, my soap, toothpaste, and yeah, it's pretty cheap. You have 2 sockets there, and this fan, the lights, the toilets. You know, my shoes are there, and the back you open, you see. So, can you see? As a YouTuber, at times you need to cut costs. You don't need to be spending money anyhow. So I'm going to take you to the yam farm so that you can see it. And okay. So I will say 1 or 2 words so that you guys will understand about the yam that you eat. Now they say the room is clean. What I don't joke with, anytime I'm in the hotel, I always lock my room. One thing I love about this room is like, you know, this flower, beautiful. So I've stayed here for long, so voila. So guys, we're here. This is a yam farm. It's very, very big. It's very big. It's a big farm. Look at it. It's a big farm. Naomi, have you ever seen yam farm before? Funny enough, they did not plant cassava here. They did not plant cassava here. Oh God. Naomi, are you still here? Guys, in case you're watching, if you want to send super chats, super thanks, super whatever, just do it, okay? It's very important. So, this is the normal yam that you know. This is the leaves. The leaves are here for the normal yam. Now, this is what we call water yam. And I don't know if you know water yam. Who is watching me? Just say something. Let me know that somebody is here watching me. So this is water yam. If you look at them, the 2 both of them, if you look at the leaves, you know, okay, so the leaves are 2 different things. This is the one for water yam. Have you ever seen water yam yams plant before? If you have not, let me know in the comment section. So this is water leaf. Sorry, this is water yam. This is water yam, and this is the normal yam that you know. You know. Let me tell you something about water yam. Here in Nigeria, water yam is mostly eaten during dry season, you know, because the yam contains a lot of water inside. So they eat it at the time where, when it's dry season, we call it harmattan. And, you know, because at that time, you know, the normal yam that you know, because this normal yam does not have enough what do you call it, does not have enough water in it. So at a point the water will get dried, and if you cooked it, the yam will be strong. Yeah. So now I'm going to cut the leaf of water yam and yam itself, and then I will try to show you guys the difference. Okay, so let's do that quickly. You see, this is what we call hips. Let me cut this fresh one so that I can do the comparison. All right, so now yeah, okay, all right, yeah. Let me use this one. Thank God, yes, there are 2 here together. So if you can see here, now there are 2 can I call it, rope? No, it's not rope now. Two branches of water yam, branches of yam and water yam. If you look at it, this one that is thick here, this one that I'm touching with my finger, I have seen yam leaves from cause it's different name. Okay, so you see, this one you are seeing here, this is water yam, the branch. This one is water yam. This one you're looking at here, this particular one, this one in particular that you're seeing here, this one is the yam leaf, so these are two different things. And if you look at them, look at their leaves. This is the one for water yam, this is the one for yam. Now when you look at it, the yam leaves, if you look at it, is very wide, like wide. But if you look at the one for water yam, look at it, it's not that wide. It has that is it triangular shape here. That's the kind of shape it has. You see, it's not wide as this particular one here. So these are two different plants, you see. So this is not my fan, so let me get out of this person's fan. And normally here, when people plant yam, they plant what do you call it, cassava, but I did a video on cassava. If you check my channel, you'll be able to see video on cassava. And there's another one I'm doing now, but I'm still editing the video, so it's not ready yet. So, but once the video is ready, you guys will look at it and see, and then you will say your thought about it. And it's all good. It's all good to to know all those things. Now, okay, that one is a goosey. Here in Benue State is a food basket of the nation. So Benue has a lot of food. So as a food basket, as a food basket, you see so many things. And all this one, coconut, orange, and stuff like that. So I'm going into my small room, my small room, into my small room. Yeah, I have a new subscriber today, which is Naomi. So what kind of content do you like watching? Let me know, what kind of content do you like watching? Let us know the kind of content you like watching. What kind? Now it's time for conversation. The food was hot though. What kind of content do you like watching? Guys, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much, and thank you, Naomi. Naima, are you from Nigeria? Are you from Nigeria? If you're from Nigeria, let me know. If yes, let me know which part of Nigeria are you. Sometimes when you stream live, a lot of people come, and then they watch you, and some come, some go, some stay. Oh, you like swallow? You like swallow? If I would have gone outside, I would have shown you. Do you like egusi soup? Do you like egusi soup? Eh? Okay, so you like gari, eba, and egusi. All right, that's good. You like gari, eba, and fufu. Wow, that's good. They're all good food, yeah. And when you eat them, you have that strength, like Niger strength is very important. And some people, our food is good. Me, I've not traveled um, outside, let me say outside Africa for now, so I don't know how life is on the other side. But it's soup and stew. You know, if 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 I'm outside, I would have shown you more. I would have shown you the goosey plant. Have you ever seen a goosey plant? And I think I need to do a video about a goosey zobo. I need to do a video about a goosey thing. Have you ever seen a goosey plant? How they plant it, how it comes to be. Oh, you have seen it. All right, all right. Okay. So you must not like you know so many things about. Can I call it? You are a real Nigerian. Am I right? Super real Nigerian. But you love different dishes, yeah. Then you must be a traveler then. Or you make them by yourself. Okay, okay. Wow. That's good. Guys, welcome to my channel. Good morning to you. It's morning here in Nigeria. I don't know where you're watching me from, but here in Nigeria it's morning, so that's why I'm greeting you good morning. And good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and good day, and good everything, good that is good. Alright? You're all welcome to my channel. And on my channel I do lifestyle, travel vlog, and entertainment. And that's what I do. Oh, you live? Oh, wow, that's good. Which state do you live? Is it Lagos? Or which part of Nigeria were you staying or were you living? Which part? Sometimes it's very important for us to, like me, I'm hoping to travel different places to discover so many things, and then people's culture and lifestyle and the way they do things. Yeah, that's what I'm hoping to do. As God will help me, I will do something like that. And at times it's very important to go out and discover so many things. And when you stay indoors, and it's very hard for you to discover a lot of things. Yeah, and that's why I say to myself, as a traveler, it's always good for you to make trouble. Oh, Lagos and Port Harcourt. Which part of Lagos were you staying? At least I know Lagos a bit. But Port Harcourt, I only visit, so I don't know much about Port Harcourt. So that's why anytime I am here on my life and people say a lot of words, and sometimes I just overlook them and then move on with my life, because whatever you say, it will not affect me, because I'm busy my mind and I have a dream. I want to
go far. So when people say something, when people fight, when people talk about, and sometimes we people that were online, sometimes when you are streaming, some will call, some will come and then be telling you, "Oh, your husband is from Lagos." Wow. Some people will come and be telling you, you are like this, you are like that, you are like this, you are like that, you know. And for me, I just look at them and go, how can you see somebody and you're asking the person, are you gay? Oh God, it's crazy. And you know, some questions when they ask, um, YouTube will have to hide them, maybe from the viewers. Oh, I'm working on it. That's okay. See you next. What that is disturbing me that I'll ask you. That maybe you give me a solution. Alright, no problem. No problem. Thank you for your time, um, for your support, for staying here to watch my video. Thank you for your time, for staying here to chat with me and then discuss with me. So I really appreciate it. Because sometimes people look for your trouble a lot. You know, some people in this life, they come to you, they just want to look for your trouble. That's the only thing that they want to do. Yeah. Guys, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share, like, and then comment in the comment section. And if you are new here, just let me know so that if I will welcome you to my channel. I just finished chatting with my amazing subscriber, my amazing, yeah. She came and just came to support and then talk to me. I really appreciate her. She did well. Okay. Just keep doing your thing whenever you come live. I will log on. That's good. Thank you so much for the views, the time you have spent here to chat with me, to have a little discussion with me, and the time is really good. I really appreciate you for that. And it's not everybody that comes here and spend time. Some come, you go. That's why when I started this live, I was busy eating. And when I turned my eyes, I discovered a lot of people were watching it. And when I came, some of them decided saying so many things. So I said, it's okay. It's my fans. Some of them are my fans, some of them are not my fans. And some of them are family, some of them are not family. And on my channel, everybody here is special. Everybody here is my VIP. Oh, nice meeting you too. Oh, Jamaica. Countries like Jamaica, I'm hoping to visit them someday. And when things get better in my life, hoping to visit like Jamaica and go to the Rastafarian, section where they stay, what they do, what, what they think. No. So when I come there, I hope you show me your house so that I will go there and then greet your siblings. Yeah, I know you are not going to be around, so I need to take my medication before I forget. I went for a burial and then, is it a funeral? Yeah, some people call it funeral. I went for a funeral and we have to. In fact, it was in the village, and you know how African village is. We traveled, went for a long journey, and then we missed road, and we have to around 2 a.m. we were on the road in the village, and we did not even know where we were going. I think I should record this in my camera because I have a video so that I will edit it out. Put on my YouTube. So we did not know where we were going because the journey was very far, and thank God this guy just appeared from nowhere. We don't know where he was going. We don't know what he was looking for. We just saw him with a bike coming. We were like, oh God, thank you. You have saved us from this stress. Because the way we were going, we were just going deep into the forest. Imagine going to a place that you don't even know. We were going deeply in the forest where we don't know anybody, we don't have anybody contact, and the worst of it all, there was no network. There was no network at all. So we had to. Oh God, the battery's down. There was no network at all, so we had to just stay there. And now, those village roads, most of them, they are so narrow, like maybe a two-car cannot even exchange at the same time because of how narrow the road is. So, and the road was so muddy, we have to reverse. I'm telling you something. We have to reverse. My battery finished from my camera, so let me see. Because I want to take this opportunity and record this video as I'm telling you this story. So, as we're going, there was no road, so we have to reverse, and it rained, so everywhere was kind of muddy. So we just managed to, drive our car out of the muddy place, and then the guy did reverse almost like 5 minutes, maybe 5 to 10 minutes reverse before we came out of the place, and then we now face another road that he was showing us. We went at the point we got to the junction, then he showed us where to go. And then the guy said he would direct us to go. We said no, it's better for him to just help us to show us the way so that we can go. At least when we reach there, we'll be able to find something for him. And thank God that we tell this guy to follow us. And maybe we did not tell him to follow us, that would have been another disaster, because the road was not straight. The road was kind of divided from different angles, different points. And that's how we managed to go. And then when we reached there, we gave him something, and then he shows us the word. Okay, this is this was the road that this is straight. Then we followed it to the point that we reach our destination. And then when we reached there, we stay and I slept. We stayed outside for like around 4 a.m. And when you sit outside, sometimes those mosquitoes they take good care of you. So mosquitoes took good care of me. And when I came back, it's not feeling too good. So I got this for myself. I'm not doing this. It's not an advert. For this is what I use, and I'm taking it to just get myself strong again. So basically, that's the story. That was what happened when I traveled for the barrier, and that was my experience. And it's good. Sometimes it's good to experience those kind of things, and they make you feel stronger, and then make you feel better. You know, we don't feel challenged. We don't feel challenged. Maybe you don't know that this life is so interesting. You know what makes this life interesting is the challenges that we face every day in our lives. You know, when you face a challenge and when you overcome, you are so happy. But when you don't overcome, I don't know how you feel, whether you feel sad or you feel good. You know, I don't know how you feel, whether you feel sad or you feel good. I don't know. So that's that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, I think I've record. Yeah. So who is watching me here? Who is watching me? And I mean, I see here. Okay, she says he has to go to work. This is sachet water. Thank you. Now I'm gonna do something. Oh, you got cut off with something? Walk? Or what's that? So that night when I stay outside, mosquito really dealt with me. So when I came back to my hotel and I started feeling sad. Oh, walk, okay, okay. Just listen, my dear, focus on your work so that those people will not come and be sucking you and be telling you some things. This is how I take my medication. I get my medicine here and I put it in my mouth. Once I put it in my mouth and then put water, that's my style of taking my medication. Some people put water before they put it, but this is what I do. Watch. They're here. Sometimes I have to close my nose so that it will go. I'll use that method when they're feeding children. That's what they do. So. This is what I know. Also, help me God. Hmm. That's it. Wow, I feel good. Pa-da-da-da-da. Okay, my plan for the rest of the day, I'm gonna have my friend shoot a video, and I'm gonna have my friend shoot a video later in the day, and then maybe we'll still go out in the evening, and basically, I have video to shoot later. He just called me that he's going somewhere. Maybe when he comes back, that'll be around maybe 12, you know. So at the meantime, I'm still here, you know. I was gonna do a video about this. You know, in Nigeria we have what we call sachet water. We have bottled water and sachet water. So I feel I should do a video about that. See? So I'm just trying to set my camera and then do what I want to do. All right, let's do this. The camera is not seeing me. The camera is not seeing me. I want to make a video about sachet water and bottled water. You know, in Nigeria, when you are drinking with sachet water to drink, you will feel like you're poor. You can't afford bottled water, you know. So, although bottled water is expensive, yeah, there's a price difference. You know. All right, thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day.